Not a soul on the beach, too damn cold. Yeah, too damn cold. Nobody fishing either. Mallard ducks, just north of the falls. Water's still pretty cold. Used to have a pile of bird feeders up in there, but the city kept coming down and taking them down. Right next to the path. Nice spot up here to relax. See you later, quackers. These guys always have a great looking flower bed here, right? Always have a great looking flower bed here. Purple tulips are pretty nice. I think that's a birdhouse at the top of that pole. I like flowers. Gotta go get mine in the ground right now. Cardinals are back at my feeders. I also got a bunch of Baltimore Orioles. About an hour ago I had a pair of them. Kept coming back and back. They were on my bird feeders. Love the Baltimore Orioles. That'll be neat if they take up residence around here. Love the birds. Fish too. That's a pair of cardinals. There was two pair that were using the bird feeders last year. I like them. Missed them again. God damn it. Getting some stuff for a nest right now. He's been down there digging the peanuts. Got a pair here too. Got a peanut. Cardinals, Blue Jays, and Baltimore Orioles going to take residence up this area here in the backyard. Love it. That queen has been buzzing along the lawn there for about an hour now, and it's not going to any of the dandelions. It's get down in the grass. Bees and wasps in the springtime, they don't go for the pollen and stuff like that. They're carnivorous in the springtime. They eat all the little wee insects, aphids and stuff like that, right? Small insects that are hard for us to see. Wasps are like that too. They're buzzing around my plants, but they don't bother plants. There's three of my seedlings from last year. Candy store, and what was the other one? Some seeds I got from some government pot. And they'll be going in the ground in a couple of days. I'll take you over to the clone that I got on the ground already. It is there, a clone, female. Those three I just showed you might be males, I don't know. We'll have to grow them and find out. But that's pretty good pot there. I looked it up, I forget the name of it now. Yummy, yummy.